Find norm of x cubed minus 4. Okay, we know that this was one of the basis members, right? Okay. Find x squared minus 3. There was another basis member, right? I want to know the size of this, and the angle between x cubed minus 4 and x squared minus 3. Okay. Since these are two vectors, they must have some angle between them. Using this inner product. Okay, solution. How do you find the norm of a vector using an inner product? Well, we know that this squared, right, is the inner product of the vector with itself. Right? That's one of the things that we learned last time when we were talking about positive definiteness. And because we need this property, that's why we wanted the inner products to be positive definite. But now if we have this, how do you calculate this? We have the definition, right? What do?
Do x cubed minus 4 times x cubed,
x cubed minus 4 times x cubed minus 4. You integrate from 0 to 1. Now if you expand this out, it's going to be x to the 6th minus 4 times 8, 8x cubed plus 16, and you integrate from 0 to 1 dx. And that gives you 1/7 of x to the 7th minus 2x to the 4th plus 16x, and you plug in 1 and 0. Okay? So it's going to be 1/7 minus 2 plus 16. So you get 14, 49, 98, 98 plus 1, 99 over 7. So that's what you get. And therefore, the answer to the first question is what?
99 over 7.
Square root.
Oh, square root.
Square root of 99 over 7. Okay. Now let's continue on and do the other ones. Let's find the norm of x squared minus 3. I'll rather do this quickly. This will be this times itself, so it's going to be x to the 4th minus 6x squared plus 9, integrated from 0 to 1. So that's going to be 1/5 minus 2x cubed plus 9x, x to the 5th. Then you plug in 1, 0, so 7, 36 over 5. That's what you're going to get. So we know that absolute value of x squared minus 3 would be square root of 36 over 5. Okay, now to find the angle between them, we use the fact that x cubed minus 4, x squared minus 3 is equal to the norm of x cubed minus 4 times the norm of x squared minus 3 times the cosine of theta. So using this identity that inner product of u and v is norm of u times norm of v equals to cosine of theta, cosine of the angle between, then we can now just compute this side, and we know that these two values, and so we can divide them. That will give you the answer. So if I multiply these two, that will be x to the 5th, right? And then you'll get minus 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus 12, and I have to integrate from 0 to 1, which gives you 1/6 minus 3/4 minus 4/3 plus 12. That's after you integrate. Oh no, that doesn't seem particularly exciting, but let's see, what do we get? It's 2 minus 9 minus 16. 12 times 12 is 144. So minus 23, so it'll be 1 over 12. Interesting. Okay. So that's what you get. So that's the inner product, the left side. And therefore,
And you do the arctan?
our cosine.
Arc
Cosine, right. So therefore, the theta is going to be cosine inverse of this humongous thing, 121 over 12 divided by square root of 99 over 7 times square root of 36 over 5. And you can use a calculator to